Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, this is Preetha and today on Dakshin curry we are serving mangoes. Who doesn't love mangoes? We love having it in drinks, in chutneys, in pickles and also in curries. Yes, today I'll be using mango to make a Kerala style curry. Let's see how to make it. So the first step is going to be switching on the flame and I'll be adding coconut oil to this. Not too much, just a couple of teaspoons. Now I'll be using shallots in this. Ensure that you use Madras onions or shallots. They give a really nice flavor. Now we are just going to roast this just a little bit. Now along with that I'm going to add some ginger and green chilli which I have crushed. And now I'm going to add the mango. So here I have used the totapuri, some turmeric, some chilli powder and coriander seed powder and of course salt. Once we have added all this, we'll give this a nice mix. And now to this I'm going to add thin coconut milk. That is the second or the third extract. That's what I'm adding. So once we add this, we'll give this a mix and we are going to simmer this on a low flame for 7 to 10 minutes till the mangoes become nice and soft, and then we'll add a thick coconut milk. So it's been around 7 to 10 minutes. Let's check on how the mangoes are cooking. It's a lovely fragrance. And at this stage, I'm going to be adding the thick extract of coconut milk. This is almost ready. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to this. Nice. So now I'm going to shift this and quickly make a tempering. So let's prepare our tempering. Again, some more coconut oil, a little bit of mustard seeds, a little bit of fenugreek or methi, along with that a little bit of cumin seeds and some dry red chilies, loads of curry leaves. We'll quickly mix this up and transfer it to our curry. Mix this up, get some rice and enjoy this curry. So this abundance of goodness which is made with coconut milk is absolutely divine. Please try this recipe. I think the flavor of totapuri mango is just taken it somewhere else. If you don't have that, you can use any other kind of mango that you have. Now, I have made this gravy a little thick. If you want to thin it down a bit, you can, but this suits me just fine. If you have liked watching this recipe, do click on the like and share button and of course, subscribe to India Food Network.